morning everyone, my name is Jedal Bautista from section NJ2A2, and in this video I will show you the different types of network topologies. Number one is the bus network topologies. The bus network topology works like a bus system at rush hour with various buses pausing in different zones to pick up passengers. In a bus network, all communication devices connected to a common linear channel. In a bus network, all nodes are connected to a single wire or cable. The bus, which has two endpoints or terminators, which stop the network signal. Each communication devices on the network transmit electronic messages to other devices. If some of those messages collide, the sending device waits and tries to transmit again. The advantage of bus network are that is relatively inexpensive, easy to use in peer-to-peer networks, and good for small network, and it is not requiring high speed. Bus network topology is easy to use and understand, and inexpensive, simple network. And the disadvantage are the extra circuitry and software are needed to develop access method in order to avoid collision between messages, and that the network is limited only to 20 devices on a network segment that cannot exceed over 185 meters in length. The second one is the ring network. The ring network is one in which all microcomputers and other communication devices are connected in continuous loop. Electronic messages are passed around the ring until they reach the right destination. There is no central server. An example of a ring network is IBM's token ring network, in which a bit pattern called a token determines which user on the network can send information. The advantage of ring network is the messages flow in one direction, thus there's no danger of collision. One computer cannot monopolize the network. It continues to function after capacity is exceeded, but the speed will be slow. In this data flows in one direction, which reduces the chance of packet collisions. The disadvantage is that if one workstation malfunction, the internet network and stop working. Failure of one computer can affect the whole network. It is difficult to troubleshoot. Adding and removing computer disrupts the network. Due to the anti-directional ring, a data packet or token must have to pass through all the nodes. The third one is the star network topology. A star network topology is one in which all microcomputers and other communication devices are directly connected to a central switch. Electronic messages are routed through the central switch to their destinations. The central switch monitors the flow of traffic. A PBX system or a private telephone system, such as that found on a college campus that connects telephone extension to one another, is an example of star network. Traditionally, star network are designed to a easily expandable because switches can be connected to additional switch of other network. The main advantage of star network topology is that one malfunctioning node does not affect the rest of the network. Another advantage of it is star network is that switch prevent collision between messages. Period. Moreover, if the connection is broken between any communication devices and the switch, the rest of the devices on the network will continue operating. And the disadvantage of the star network topology is the failure of the central hub causes the whole network failure. It is slightly more expensive than using bus topology. Extra hardware is required, which adds to cost. If a hub or switch fails, all the devices connected to it will have no network connection. And lastly, the mesh network topology. In a mesh network topology, messages sent to a destination can any possible shortest, easiest route to reach its destination. There must be at least two paths to any individual computer to create a mesh network. In previous topologies, star and bus messages are usually broadcast to every computer, especially in bus topology. In the ring topology, messages can travel in only one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. The internet employs the mesh topology and the message, which the help of routers find its route for its destination. And the advantage of mesh topology is having nodes arranged in mesh topology brings some benefits. Messages can receive more quickly if the route to the intended recipient. In short, messages should always get through as they have many possible routes on which to travel, multiple connection that no nodes should be isolated. And the disadvantage of mesh network topology is the cost to implement is highest than other network topologies, making it a less desirable option. Building and maintaining the topology is difficult and time-consuming. The chance of redundant connection is high, which adds to the high cost and potential for reduced efficiency. And that's all, and thank you.